Hey everyone, welcome back to Spanish Buddy. I'm Sophia, and we're really happy you're learning Spanish with us today.
And I'm Carlos. Thanks for joining us for another fun and practical Spanish lesson.
Today, we're talking about something super useful in real conversations.
Yep, we're learning how to describe people in Spanish.
This topic comes up everywhere. Meeting friends, talking about family, describing coworkers, texting someone, traveling, even explaining who you're looking for.
Exactly. Imagine trying to tell someone about your friend without knowing how to describe them.
You'd probably end up pointing at random people.
Which could become very awkward very fast.
Definitely.
By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to describe appearance, personality, clothing, and even speak more naturally in real-life Spanish conversations.
We'll also practice pronunciation, common expressions, and mistakes learners usually make.
And don't worry if you're a beginner. We're keeping everything simple and practical.
Because the goal is real communication, not sounding like a grammar book.
Exactly.
Here's today's question for you guys. Can you describe your best friend in Spanish right now?
Maybe you can already say a few words like alto or simpático.
Or maybe you're just starting today.
Either way, you're going to improve a lot in this lesson.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy.
Your support really helps the channel grow.
Also remember to pause the video and repeat phrases out loud.
Speaking practice is one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation and confidence.
All right, let's start learning how to describe people naturally in Spanish.
Let's jump right in.
Okay, first let's learn some very common adjectives for describing people.
These are words native speakers use all the time.
Let's start with appearance.
Alto means tall.
Baja means short.
Guapo means handsome.
Bonita means pretty.
Joven means young.
Mayor means older.
Repeat after me.
Alto, bonita, joven. Great. Pronunciation tip. Guapo sounds like guapo.
Repeat after me. Guapo.
Excellent. Now let's build easy sentences.
Él es alto. He is tall.
Ella es muy bonita. She is very pretty.
Mi amigo es joven. My friend is young.
Repeat after me slowly.
Él es alto.
Ella es muy bonita.
Great job.
Now let's describe personality.
Simpático means friendly.
Divertido means funny.
Inteligente means intelligent.
Tímido means shy.
Tímido sounds like T-me-do.
Repeat after me.
Tímido.
Nice.
Let's make some natural sentences.
Mi hermana es muy simpática. My sister is very friendly.
Carlos es divertido. Carlos is funny.
That one is true sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Depends on the day.
Fair enough.
Here's a very common question.
¿Cómo es tu amigo? What is your friend like?
Repeat after me.
¿Cómo es tu amigo?
Pronunciation help. Como sounds like como.
You can answer,
Mi amigo es alto y simpático.
my friend is tall and friendly.
Let's practice another useful structure.
Tiene pelo corto. He has short hair.
Or,
Tiene ojos azules. She has blue eyes.
ojos means eyes.
Pelo means hair.
Repeat after me.
Tiene ojos azules.
Excellent.
Now let's imagine a real-life situation.
Maybe you're meeting someone at a cafe.
Your friend says,
Mi amigo lleva una camisa negra.
that means, my friend is wearing a black shirt.
Negra means black.
Repeat after me.
Camisa negra.
Great.
Now let's practice negatives.
Very useful in conversations.
Él no es tímido.
He's not shy.
Ella no es seria.
She's not serious.
Repeat after me.
No es tímido.
No es seria.
Nice.
Can you say this in Spanish?
My brother is tall.
Mi hermano es alto.
She is very friendly.
Ella es muy simpática.
Great work.
Another useful phrase is
Tiene una gran sonrisa. He or she has a great smile.
very natural and friendly.
Repeat after me.
Tiene una gran sonrisa.
Excellent.
Remember, simple descriptions are enough for real conversations.
You don't need complicated grammar to communicate well.
Focus on confidence and clear pronunciation.
Quick summary.
Today, we learned appearance vocabulary, personality adjectives, and basic descriptive sentences.
Now let's move into real-life conversations.
All right, now let's use these descriptions in real situations.
Because this is how people actually speak in Spanish.
Imagine you're meeting friends at a restaurant.
Someone asks,
¿Cómo es tu novia? What is your girlfriend like?
a natural answer could be,
Es muy divertida e inteligente.
she's very funny and intelligent.
Let's do a short conversation.
Oye, ¿cómo es tu hermano?
Es alto, tranquilo, y muy simpático.
Ah, qué bien.
Very natural conversation.
Here's another useful situation.
Maybe you're at the airport looking for someone.
You might say,
Lleva una chaqueta roja. He's wearing a red jacket.
or
Tiene el pelo largo.
she has long hair.
Repeat after me. Pelo largo.
Chaqueta roja.
Great.
Now let's compare formal and informal Spanish.
Informal.
¿Cómo es tu jefe?
Formal.
¿Cómo es su jefe?
Notice tú cambia a su.
Native speakers use informal Spanish with friends most of the time.
Formal Spanish sounds more respectful in professional situations.
Let's compare textbook Spanish versus natural Spanish.
Textbook Spanish might say,
Él posee una personalidad amable.
very formal.
Most native speakers simply say,
Es muy amable.
much shorter and more natural.
Let's do a mini practice activity.
I'll say the English sentence.
You try saying it in Spanish.
She has blue eyes.
Tiene ojos azules.
He is shy.
Es tímido.
Excellent.
Here are 3 quick tips for sounding natural.
First, use short descriptions.
Second, don't translate word for word from English.
Third, focus on speaking smoothly.
Native speakers usually connect words naturally.
Exactly.
Let's hear another dialogue.
¿Cómo es tu profesora?
Es muy amable y paciente.
Paciente means patient.
Repeat after me.
Paciente.
Another real-life situation.
Imagine you're texting a friend.
You might say,
Mi nuevo compañero es muy divertido.
that means my new classmate is very funny.
Very conversational Spanish.
We'd love to hear your own examples too.
Try describing someone you know in Spanish in the comments.
Even a simple sentence is excellent practice.
Before moving on, let's review important expressions.
Es muy simpático.
Tiene el pelo corto.
Lleva una camisa blanca.
Tiene ojos marrones.
Perfect.
Now, let's move into even more natural daily Spanish.
All right, now we're focusing on daily Spanish conversations.
This is the kind of Spanish you hear while texting, meeting people, traveling, or hanging out casually.
Let's imagine you're introducing a friend.
Ella es mi amiga Laura. Es muy divertida.
Amiga means female friend.
Repeat after me.
Ella es muy divertida.
Nice.
Here's another casual introduction.
Mi primo es muy tranquilo y le gusta el fútbol.
Tranquilo means calm.
Repeat after me.
Tranquilo.
Great.
Let's imagine a WhatsApp conversation.
¿Cómo es tu nuevo compañero de trabajo?
Es muy amable y siempre sonríe.
Sonríe means smiles.
Repeat after me.
Siempre sonríe.
Nice.
Here's a pronunciation tip.
Spanish sounds smoother when words connect naturally.
Instead of saying,
Es muy divertido.
try saying,
Es muy divertido.
much more natural.
Let's practice slowly first.
Tiene el pelo largo.
Now faster.
Tiene el pelo largo.
Excellent.
Let's do a mini conversation.
¿Cómo es tu hermana?
Es muy inteligente y trabajadora.
Trabajadora means hardworking.
Repeat after me.
Trabajadora.
Great.
Another useful phrase is
Siempre está feliz. He or she is always happy.
very common in conversations.
Repeat after me.
Siempre está feliz.
Excellent.
Let's imagine you're ordering coffee and chatting casually.
Someone asks,
¿Cómo es tu mejor amigo? You answer, es divertido y muy leal.
leal means loyal.
Repeat after me.
Muy leal.
Nice.
Here's a listening style practice.
Listen first before translating.
Mi jefe es serio, pero muy amable.
That means my boss is serious but very kind.
Another one.
Tiene el pelo negro y ojos verdes.
He or she has black hair and green eyes.
Great job if you understood that.
And if not, don't worry. Listening takes time and practice.
Also remember that describing people helps conversations feel more personal and natural.
Exactly. It's one of the most useful speaking skills in Spanish.
All right, quick structural review.
We practiced introductions, appearance descriptions, personality vocabulary, and natural pronunciation flow.
Now let's look at common mistakes learners make.
Because mistakes are completely normal,
Honestly, everyone makes mistakes when learning Spanish.
especially with adjectives and descriptions.
One common mistake is direct translation from English.
For example, learners sometimes say,
Es una persona muy funny.
mixing English and Spanish accidentally.
Correct version.
Es una persona muy divertida.
Another common mistake is gender confusion.
For example,
Mi hermana es alto.
incorrect.
Correct,
Mi hermana es alta.
because hermana is feminine.
Another pronunciation mistake happens with ojos.
Some learners pronounce the J too softly.
It should sound more like H-O-hojos.
Repeat after me.
Ojos.
Great.
Another common mistake is mixing formal and informal Spanish.
Like saying,
¿Cómo es tu profesor, usted?
that sounds awkward because the styles are mixed.
Correct and formal.
¿Cómo es tu profesor?
Correct formal.
¿Cómo es su profesor?
Exactly.
Here's a funny mistake,
One learner wanted to say, my friend is quiet.
but accidentally said,
Mi amigo es aburrido.
which means my friend is boring.
Definitely not the same thing.
The correct word was,
Tranquilo.
let's practice corrections together.
Repeat after me.
Mi hermana es alta.
Tiene ojos verdes.
Es muy simpático.
Excellent.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Nobody becomes fluent without practicing.
Focus on communication and consistency.
Speak often, repeat phrases, and don't be afraid to sound imperfect.
Every conversation helps you improve.
Keep going. You're doing great.
All right, everyone, let's test your Spanish with a quick interactive practice.
Let's do it.
Situation number 1.
You want to say, she is friendly.
Option A.
Ella es simpática.
Option B.
Ella está simpática.
Correct answer.
Ella es simpática.
Because personality descriptions usually use ser.
Repeat after me.
Ella es simpática.
Situation 2.
Which sounds more natural with friends?
¿Cómo es tu amigo?
Or,
¿Cómo es su amigo?
correct answer,
¿Cómo es tu amigo?
because it's informal and conversational.
Situation 3.
How do you say, he has short hair?
Tiene el pelo corto.
Excellent.
Situation 4.
Which sounds more natural?
Es muy divertido.
Or,
Él es muy divertido.
both are correct.
But native speakers often drop el.
Great observation.
Situation 5.
How do you say, my teacher is patient?
Mi profesor es paciente.
Excellent.
Repeat after me.
Mi profesor es paciente.
Nice work.
Remember to practice speaking out loud.
Your pronunciation improves much faster when you actually speak.
Pronunciation reminder.
Divertido sounds like divertido.
Simpático sounds like simpático.
Excellent.
Now create your own sentence describing someone you know.
Even something simple like,
Mi amigo es alto.
or,
Mi hermana es divertida.
personal examples are easier to remember.
And remember, communication matters more than perfection.
Exactly.
All right, everyone, let's wrap up today's lesson.
Today, we learned how to describe people naturally in Spanish.
We practiced appearance vocabulary, personality descriptions, pronunciation, and real-life conversations.
We also learned common mistakes and how to sound more natural.
Most importantly, we practiced speaking with confidence.
Remember, fluency comes from consistent speaking and listening practice.
So after this video, try describing 3 people you know in Spanish.
Even short descriptions are amazing practice.
And don't worry about sounding perfect.
Native speakers care much more about communication than perfection.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what Spanish topic should we cover next on Spanish Buddy?
Maybe travel conversations, texting slang, restaurant Spanish, or beginner listening practice.
And if this lesson helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy.
Your support helps us create more practical Spanish lessons every week.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing Spanish every day.
You're improving more than you think.
See you next time.